I want to answer two questions for you. The first is, where do you file for divorce in Florida, and can you do that on your own? Yes, absolutely. Many self-represented, what we call pro se litigants, file for divorce on their own. The website, as you can Google, is myflcourtaccess.com. You want to register in your own individual name and make sure that all the documents that you submit, unless the rules change, should be in black and white and should fit to the page parameters as a regular sheet of paper would. Beyond that, the question is, do you need to file first for divorce if this is a contested case, and does it matter? From a practical standpoint, if you file first for divorce, you then have to pay the full filing fee of around $400. It varies depending on the county where you are located. Lake County and Orange County have different filing fees at the moment. If you file first, you also then have to serve the other person with process unless they accept it. So the overall fees end up being somewhere around $500 to initiate the case if it is on your own or through your attorney. Alternatively, if the other party files first and you are responding, you have 20 days to respond. Of course, file in a sooner time if you can. And the counterpetition filing fee, if you choose to file a counterpetition, is around $295. Again, that depends and varies based upon the county. And that means that you save a little bit of money if the other party files first. Does it matter legally? Is there some severe or steep advantage that the person who files first has the lay of the land, has the attention of the judge, has some special legal tactic that they have employed that disadvantages you? And the answer is really nuanced, but generally speaking, both parties will file a petition and a counterpetition. Both parties will answer those petitions, and both parties will state their case. The real meat and potatoes, bread and butter, if you will, of your case occurs when you're doing your mandatory disclosures and finding out more about the case. The initial filing period is more so about stating what you are asking for the court and putting your allegations pen to paper. From my perspective, there is no great advantage to filing first or being the counter-petitioner. Of course, being the counter-petitioner, you already know what the other side is alleging and you already have some information. Nevertheless, the facts of your case will likely not change just because somebody's filed first. So the short answer is, you will file in the time that's appropriate for you, and do not get caught up in whether or not you have to beat the other person to filing your case, as that is not always outcome determinative.